You may recall the Chevy K1500 had a horrible engine knocking sound. It sounded like it was the end. But it turned out that the Saginaw steering column, which was wobbling all over the place due to 4 bolts being loose inside of it, it was causing the ignition switch to hang up and try to engage the starter even when the engine was running. And as we all know, that creates a horrible sound. So I fixed that. You can see it's a tight steering column. And I replaced the switch while I was at it. And now watch this. Nice. All fixed. One moment I thought my engine was blown up. Now the thing runs like a dream. Thank the car gods.